most people have no idea how things are made. Not just clothing, kind of everything, right? We're all really detached from that manufacturing process, and we're really transparent in the way that we work as a business. We open up the studio, people can come in 4 days a week, see things being made. It's really important we all try and work together to sort of find better solutions for the current problem in fashion. So I'm Christopher Rayburn, I'm the founder of RÆBURN. So I started the company all the way back in 2009. The company actually started with an original military parachute used by pilots all around the world. And I took one parachute and then made it into 8 garments. We call the idea remade in England rather than just made in England. Step by step, the company's grown over the last 12 years. We introduced 2 further parts of the collection. One we call Reduced, so a real focus on waste reduction. Products like organic cotton jersey, really high quality, local manufacturing wherever we can. And then the other facets recycled, so really good, high quality, kind of more technical recycled pieces. I was just really fascinated by the materials themselves, so really functional, might be a waterproof or like breathable material. And the place where you get most of those kind of materials tends to be the military. I started collecting things when I was a teenager, like different military garments. And then when I was studying, I realised that if you wanted to buy the materials, they were either really expensive or really difficult to find, and yet there were kind of thousands of the original garments out there. My original interest in the functionality of the materials then led to a love of the product that then led to sort of quite pragmatic decision to kind of use what was already there rather than buying new materials to make new garments. We have an obligation, is the way that I look at it, within the way that we design and make products, to be as responsible as we can, to make really good decisions with the materials that we're using or the original item that we're deconstructing. And what's been really interesting is that over the last 12 years, the whole kind of narrative around sustainability has kind of blossomed, which is really good. But what's also happened is there's loads of kind of greenwashing, which is being kind of advertised as sometimes being really good. For us, it's really just about common sense and almost going back to the old ways of making things, kind of make, do and mend, and just having a really pragmatic approach to design. So we're over in East Village, which is the old Olympic village. The whole point of this is it's a co-creation space. But our job was to curate a space that then would be almost like a blank canvas for others to use. It's a really different approach to then actually say, well no, here's a space where architects can come in or other designers. It's an opportunity to kind of create, and for us, bring together creativity, community and craft in one place. It's really important. Made in England's a sort of really important facet of what we do within RÆBURN, but then of course with Private White. And I think it's about all of that history and the culture and everything else that comes together. Really important, it's about quality as well. And that's what I think is so amazing about what the guys up at Private White have been able to do in Manchester. The quality of the product that has been made, incredible. Whether it be the t-shirts, which I know they've only just started manufacturing recently, so they were asked to make gowns for the NHS during COVID, bought all of these amazing machines, and now there isn't that need anymore. Now they're doing jerseys, so it's a really kind of pragmatic way of looking at things. But yeah, I think it's that balance really of the history and culture and then quality coming together. Originally we did an amazing project with RÆBURN, cyclewear company, where we took parachutes and we made them into wind jackets that you'd be able to wear for cycling. And it was the same factory, Cooper and Stolbrand up in Manchester, that did all of the manufacturing for Private White. It's all one company that did those original pieces for RÆBURN. And wow, the quality was amazing, and I was able to visit, and I knew like straight away it was a really unique place. Mike from Private White phoned me up and said, oh, you know, are you interested maybe to do another project, maybe for RÆBURN this time, RÆBURN and Private White? And just straight away we jumped at the chance. And what's been really cool is we've been able to bring together the real DNA of RÆBURN, so all about the parachutes, then with incredible ventile materials, so waterproof, really hard wearing. And I think it's a really good balance of the two companies coming together.